Good morning, everyone. Colin is sleeping, so I'm trying to keep it down. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. and I couldn't go back to bed. So I thought, you know what? Get up, do some work, just start your day early. So here I am. Yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. I edited yesterday's vlog. It's being uploaded. And I'm getting hungry for breakfast, and it's 8 a.m. I honestly don't remember the last time I was awake at this time, because with this pandemic, with this lockdown, there's no reason to wake up this early, but I just was so energized. I only have one light on. The apartment's still really dark. The light is just, and the day is just slowly starting, but it's gonna be a overcast, wintry day. As you saw, it's so beautiful. It snowed all night. I'm sure it's gonna be really slushy in the main streets of Toronto, but where we are, it's pretty cute. I'm gonna make breakfast. Couple hours later, I just got dressed. I got ready for the day. Okay, today's outfit is not the most out there outfit. It's pretty just the most solid fit, black on black. But because of that, I decided to wear some camo socks. And fun fact, I'm wearing camo underwear at the same time. So take that in. I will take any kind of oomph that I can feel in a day.
Start an Instagram page.
I don't know what Colin is saying, but he's still sleeping, screaming random things. So we're gonna ignore him. I need to clean up this kitchen. Let's do that, and then I'm gonna keep on going on my laptop and editing for the black and white show. I've been doing it basically all morning, and there's a lot of work to do, a lot of videos to edit, so I am far from being close to being done. I'm far from being close to being done. Is that what I said? Anyway, you know what I mean. You want to be in the vlog so much? What do you want to do? This is like your first appearance in VLOGMAS. With a smile. Colin, stop you're always looking at yourself when you he's like the point of this, it's not a mirror, it's a camera. The point of this is just to
I need to shave.
Oh my god. Okay, you can do the rest of the dishes?
No, I'm working out.
Stand up. I want to capture your grandpa underwear for this vlog. Because this is what I get. This is what I have to see every single day. Here we go. Oh my god, atrocious! Okay, something a bit better for the vlog, not just Colin's cramp underwear. We are day 9, but look. This is like, it's so easy to rip it. So I've done it twice now. Anyway, but the chocolate inside is so good. Here we go. Num num num. Later in the day, just been editing my life away, but it's time to do this. I'm not sure if you remember seeing this video. It was shot a couple of vlogs ago. I've got to install a wire behind this bad boy. That is the plan for right now. So the other day I went to buy everything that I need, and I've got a little hammer. I've got everything I need, so let's do it. Oh, also before I start, I'll show a clip that I just shot like a minute ago where Colin's friend just sent him this kind of like old home video, and this guy in the video looks just like me, just like with maybe a shorter haircut. It's so weird. Look. It's like the back, I feel like looks even more. Isn't it so crazy, like without my glasses? I think it's wild.
A large painting, when you hang it on the wall, the top of the painting will come away from the wall too much. If you do it too high, it'll be difficult to get it on the picture hanging.
So I wasn't sure if I installed the metal in the back right, just because it's such a big canvas. The other one that I installed, which is similar size for another commission project, we installed it vertically. And so this one is so wide and it's being hung horizontally that the wire had to really be very long. So I wasn't sure if it was gonna work well, but it's so good, look. This is a canvas that's usually on the wall, but this is the commission. Wow, I love it. And there's no space. That's how you know it's well installed. It's all against the wall. Love it. Anyone who wants to properly install that wire in the back of any art, photograph, or canvases, anything, I will link the video that I use. I've used that video twice now because I don't obviously install that wire in the back of the canvases like on a daily basis. I forget this important steps, and this girl is just so clear. She goes on a slow pace, and so I'm just gonna link it down below. Also for myself as a reminder whenever I have to, because I'm sure I'll have to hang many other canvases in the future, so now I'll know where to find the link. So right now I've got this little baby canvas just stored beside the bed because this bad boy is in the living room. I'm just off to grab some wine, some beer for Colin, and some asparagus for dinner. It's also a good excuse for me to just get out and take in some fresh air. I've been in the apartment all day. I was vibing the music.
No.
He changed the song so I was dancing.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. You wanna put my speakers? 3, 2, 3, better blow your mama's speaker. They true like a speaker, then I spit like a
Dinner is ready. Ooh, look at the shadow of the wine. Ooh la la, c'est sexy. It's like 9:30. Had a very early morning. That is my skincare routine. Nothing's changed from the last time I did it. That's it. Have a good night. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm literally gonna go to bed now. I'm exhausted. Bonne nuit.